Hey guys, welcome back to another full prep video. Today I'm going to prep some delicious breakfast. For the first breakfast I'm going to be using some ham, spring onion, spinach, 6 eggs, tortilla, salsa and some seasoning. First I'm going to crack my eggs. I am using 6 eggs. And I'm going to season it with salt, paprika, parsley, white pepper and all-purpose seasoning. Whilst the egg is frying, I am going to chop my spring onions and the ham. I also like to use some spinach, salsa and mozzarella. Once the eggs are done, I just mix everything together. You can then add this to your tortillas, just wrap it up and you can keep this in the fridge or freezer. And that is our first breakfast done. For the next breakfast, I am also going to be using 6 eggs. I'm only seasoning this with some salt and pepper. Then I add it onto a baking tray. I am also adding my patties and I bake everything in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now it's time to cut my muffins. And just add everything on top. I like to start with the meat, put the cheese in the middle. I am also adding a little bit of ketchup. You can add mayonnaise or whatever sauce you want. If you want, you can skip this part and only add it later on when you are warming up your breakfast. And the last breakfast I'm going to be preparing is a super easy one. I am using my Protein World pancake mix. All you have to do is add your pancake mix into a mixing bowl and add your milk. I am using almond milk. After mixing everything well, just spray your pan. But a great thing about this pancake mix is that it doesn't stick to your pan at all. It's also really easy to flip them and you only have to fry them on each side for a few seconds. When the pancakes are done, I just like to add some fruit on top. Again, you can keep this in the fridge and warm it up in the morning. So that is all of our breakfast done. It was really easy to make them, and it's really nice to have these in the fridge on busy mornings. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you soon.